How to improve speaking. Improving speaking skills requires regular practice and confidence. First, speak every day, even if you make mistakes. Do not be afraid of errors because mistakes help us learn. Listening to English videos, songs, and conversations improves pronunciation and fluency. Practice speaking in front of a mirror or with friends. Learn new words daily and use them in sentences. Reading aloud also helps improve speaking. With patience, practice, and self-belief, anyone can improve speaking skills and communicate confidently.